Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you. This is going to be a project share for Kscraft Lover Store. So for the first card I used this set of dies. They're really pretty, and this adorable unicorn and the word fabulous. So I'll share with you how it looks put together. I thought she was really cute. So there she is. Hopefully you can see her. And I use glitter cardstock for the background as well as the tail and everything. Okay, so that's the first card. And then I have this unicorn shaker set. Comes with 2 pieces, so you can cut out the shaker part, or if you want to cut out an aperture, or if you want to use it on a card. So I'll share with you the 3 ways that I used it so you get some ideas. I also used the word beautiful, which is really a pretty font. And I used this cardstock. It's really pretty. I like the shimmer in it and its texture. So this is how it turned out. I did use some sequins from their shop as well, but they're put away in a container, a large container. So if you need to have the link for the sequins, I'll provide it. But this is how the first one turned out. So really gorgeous there. So all I did was I used this part of the unicorn to make this card. Okay, I'm going to step it up. And this one, I used the aperture of the unicorn as well as that pretty paper, and I made a shaker, and I used some of the new dewdrops, which I'll show you what they look like. This is how they come. And I just used some unicorn sequins, so let me share with you those. This is the kind I used, as well as green, but the link that I provide, it takes you to all the different colors. So here's more of those dewdrops. They're really pretty. I love them. Okay, so that's how that one turned out. Hopefully you can see it, and then all the shakers inside for that unicorn. Okay, the next card that I made, I used it as a shaker where I used this one and this piece together, and then gave it dimension, and I added some more of those unicorn sequins. This is a different color, and then this time I used this paper for the background, as well as the other paper that I shared. So I believe it comes in a pack of 12, and you get both packs for the one price. You'll have to check the website to see what the option is, but that's what you get. So it's like 24 sheets. So yeah, these two put together, and this is how that one turned out. And then I just used one of the stickers that I had shared, and it comes from these sets of stickers. It was right here, the word magic. So I just took that one off and used it, as well as some of these clear drops. And that's how this one turned out. Okay. So that's my share for today. I will link these stickers. They're really nice. I've been looking at them to see which ones I can use for my t-shirts as well as anything on the cards. And they are great. I think I will be using a lot of these in my projects. So anyway, I will link those products in the description box below if you're interested in picking them up and making some of the cards that I've shared today. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.